I'm Yeshua.
Hi, I'm Mirna.
Good day. In this video, we will talk about Chebyen. But first, let me ask you a question. What is Chebyen?
A Chebyen is a line segment that connects a vertex of a triangle to an endpoint in the opposite side.
So let us start. Given a triangle where AB is equal to 4, BC is equal to 6, CD is 12, D is 20, and FE is 10. To find AF, we will use the Sebas theorem.
The formula is AB over BC times CD over DE times EF over AF equals 1.
Now, let's substitute. 4 over 6 multiplied to 12 over 20 multiplied to 10 over AF is equal to 1.
Now, we will cancel.
Then, multiply. 2 over 1 times 2 over 1 times 1 over AF is equal to 1.
Then, 4 over AF equals 1.
Then, 4 is equal to AF, or AF is equal to 4 units. And
That's
that's how
how
we
we
use
use
Sebas theorem.
Now,
Now, let's use the Stewart's theorem.
given a triangle where AB is 12, BC is 4, CA is 20, we will use the Stewart's theorem to find AB.
The formula is B is equal to square root of MB squared plus NC squared minus MNA over A.
Now, let's substitute. D equals square root of 4 times 12 squared plus 6 times 8 squared minus 4 times 6 times 10 over 10.
Take note, C is always above M, and B is always above N, and A is the sum of M plus N. After the substitution, we will now simplify. So B is equal to the square root of 4 times 144 plus 6 times 64 minus 240 over 10. After we multiply, we will add and subtract. So B is equal to the square root of 720 over 10.
D equals square root of 72. And lastly, find the square root of 72. So D is equal to 6 square root of 2 units.
And that's how we use the Stewart's theorem.
In this part, we will find the area of the shaded region in a triangle.
Given a triangle where AB is 8, BC is 4, CD is 3, DE is 7, and AE is 18.
In this problem, we will use the formula A is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C.
But first, we will find the semiperimeter of the triangle. To find semiperimeter, we will use the formula S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2.
So, S is equal to 12 plus 10 plus 18 over 2 or 40 over 2.
S is equal to 20. After that, we will use this formula to find the area of the whole triangle.
So now let us substitute. A is equal to square root of 20 times 20 minus 12 times 20 minus 10 times 20 minus 18. After that, A is now equal to square root of 20 times 8 times 10 times 2. And then, A is equal to square root of 20 squared times 2 times 4. Next is A is equal to 20 times 2 square root of 2 or 40 square root of 2. To find the area of the shaded region, we will multiply the area of the triangle to 1/2.
So, 1/2 times 40 square root of 2 is equal to 20 square root of 2 units squared.
And in the last part of the video, we will teach you how to find a missing segment in a right triangle. To find A, we will use the formula A is equal to square root of B squared minus C squared.
To find B, we will use the B is equal to A squared minus C squared.
And to find C, we will use C is equal to square root of B squared plus A squared.
Take note that C is always the hypotenuse.
For example, the missing segment is A. To find A, we will use this formula.
So A is equal to 15 squared minus 9 squared. Then A is equal to square root of 225 minus 81. Next is A is equal to square root of 144. So A is equal to 12 units. The missing segment is B. We will use this formula to find B.
So, B is equal to square root of 15 squared minus 12 squared. is equal to square root of 225 minus 144 or square root of 181. So B is equal to 9 units. And for checking, use A minus B less than C less than A plus B. Again, I'm Yeshua.
And I'm Miriam.
And thank you for watching.